Cortisone-releasing hormone's going to go up. Right, progesterone's about the only thing that comes down. Pretty much everything else is going to go up. All over the place. A lot of them are listed in, anybody got a page number for parturition?
105.
105. But you may have to look in some other places as well. All right, 19. Various hormones. They're everywhere. Okay? Just going through the list, and people can add to this if you have found others, but female hormones, estrogen, progesterone, prolactin, lactogen, oxytocin, relaxin, LH, FSH, cortisone-releasing hormone. Damn. Yeah, that's the baby. Got that one.
What about the human chorionic?
That's from the embryo.
So don't need to know that.
Well, you know, that's the embryo when you're pregnant. Did I miss anything? Are we there? Anybody got anything else?
What's the GnRH?
Gonadotropin releasing hormone. I don't know that that one's going to enter into it. Okay, they're kind of scattered, but go find them and know what they do. It's like I said in AP1, women are filled with hormones. Guys, testosterone. Okay, little FSH, little luteinizing hormone, and a whole bunch of testosterone. Women, and round and round and round they go. All right. Non-disjunction versus in 1 versus 2. What happens if you have non-disjunction in 1? 4 bad whatevers. Okay? Non-disjunction in 2? 50-50 shot. What's purpose crossing over?
Allows exchange of genetic material between the paired maternal and paternal chromosomes.
Genetic variation.
Man,
Thank you.
Much easier to write down.
That was really, really good.
That was good,
That was
wasn't
good. That was good. Definitions. Anything there? I'm not going to go through them all.
Oh, I was like, well, yeah, there's stuff there.
Okay.
So for a karyotype, we just need to know it includes 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of sex.
Yeah, and it's a picture of your chromosome. It's an actual picture of the chromosome. So we can take them out, we stain them, we count them. It's the actual DNA. Yeah, you know. 23. Gonna look like your homework. You are going to have to produce genotypic and phenotypic ratios. Don't miss that part of the question.
If it's unaffected, does that mean it's recessive?
No, not necessarily, not if it's a dominant disorder.
And it'd be a big letter, little letter?
Pardon me?
And it'd be a big letter, little letter? If it's an unaffected dominant?
If it is a dominant trait and you are unaffected, then it is 2 little letters.
Okay.
Okay, so it is. Okay. But if it's a recessive trait
And you're unaffected, you have to have at least 1 big letter,
Okay.
which you might have 2.
Got it. So it just it determines on what the disorder is.
Correct.
If it's dominant, it's going to be 2 little recessive.
To be unaffected.
And if it's recessive, it's either going to be 2 big.
Yeah, the bottom line is, if I give you the trait instead of telling you that it's homozygous dominant or heterozygous, it's homozygous recessive. Otherwise, I have to give you the piece of information.
Okay.
Yeah, that's just the way it is.
Okay.
All right. The 4 tenets to Mendelian genetics.
Alternate forms of genes.
There's alternate forms of genes.
What does that mean?
There's multiple options options for genes. There's like different colors of hair, there's different colors of eyes. Genes are the inheritable traits, right? Or they're, you know, the law of segregation, and you'll need to be able to kind of deal with that. And law of assortment, and you'll need to be able to deal with.
Can you deal with the one on the board?
Which one?
Both.
Okay. Law of segregation